Yes, hello, how are you? How are you? Welcome to the YouTube channel of Hair Zipper, and I'm by names of Morris, the Crochet Master. And today's lesson, I'm going to be showing you how you can plait the Junky twist. Yes, I'm going to be showing how you can play the Junky twist. This one is different from the Junky curls. I'm going to be showing you how it's different. So I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can keep on learning all the lessons that I'm going to be teaching. And as usual, we do the cornrows powerful way, and I told you that why we do the cornrows powerful way, it helps someone to be separating all the sides. Like if you want to put them behind, or if you want to hold it puff, or you want to put it a side way or in the middle line, you can still do it when you do the cornrows that in a puff style. So this is how we keep on doing it, and I want you to follow me each step by step so that we'll learn how to crochet the Junky twist. So when I'm done with that, I'm going to be applying the anti-itchy, as you can see. Yeah, because my hair, I know it can stay for 3 months, so she needs the anti-itchy. And as usual, the same hair that you use on Junky curl, you can still use on this one. So the Mali Kinky, and you see how we're crocheting, it's the same way. Though the different here is this one, you just twist it. And for the Junky curls, I show you like when you're twisting on the right side, then the Junky curl should be the left side. So that's how that is the difference. So as we keep crocheting, please make sure you subscribe so that you be the first person to be seeing all the updates. I want to shout out to all my friends in South Africa who are watching, in US, Dubai, yes, and there is even my friend in Nigeria. Thank you so much for supporting Hair Zipper. And this is it. You see how I'm twisting it? Yeah, just like that. And I told you we have an academy here, Hair Zipper Academy, so you can come and learn with us. Those ones who are far, just subscribe. I'll make sure that I give you everything that you learn here so that you can also learn how to plait hair. So this is it. Every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, be ready to learn. So when we're done with that, you see how we're twisting the hair. Yes, just like that. And after we apply the palm rods, yes, we apply the palm rods, the ones that are going to make our curls. So there are different types of palm rods. There are those ones that are big, medium, and very small. So you can choose according to how you want your curls to be. Yes, but for me, I chose these medium ones because I want still my curls to look medium. So I keep on palm rodding, as you can see. Yes, so now I'm done palm rodding. That means I'm going to prepare the hot water, boil the hot water so that I can dip in my palm rods. Yeah, that is the next step that we're going to do. So here I'm dipping my palm rods in the hot water, as you can see. Yes, you keep dipping. It gets dry as soon as possible. Excuse me. Yes, so uh, you see, it just takes. It doesn't take. You're not supposed to put someone that dries for that water to dry. No, it can dry itself. So after I'm removing my palm rod so that I can make my curls clear for you. So this is how I separate the curls. You see how I'm doing it. Yes, just like that. You keep on doing it, and when I'm done, you see how it looks. So keep subscribing the hair zipper, and more hairstyles to come. I love you so much, and don't forget to subscribe. Sign out. See you next time.